Good morning, dear student. See, we came to the last part of the lessons. So, these videos will be the last part of this chapter for understanding diversity. From here, last part we'll discuss about that how did diversity emerge, and we'll discuss about the unity in diversity. So, stay with me. I'll be discuss about that how did diversity emerge. So, in the previous two videos, I have already discussed about that what is diversity, how diversity affect your lives. Now we'll discuss in this here first how did diversity emerge? Diversity, how its emerge become. So it was geography. Geography was played an important role to emergence of the diversity. Here is a main role playing by the geography. Geography which played an important role uh, uh, to emerge the diversity. So, geography, the different geography comprises the different type of the features like mountain, desert, coastal area, and tropical regions. These are comprises. But here you see, we can see that the various type of landform which affect to the climate of a region. If landform which affect the climate of a regions, and climate of a regions that is also affect to the dress, food habit of the people particular regions. So apart from that, we can say that history of a particular region also influence the diversity of a place. History throughout the history, even we observe that we see that in the different time the foreigners from the different part of the world they came to the India with their own practice and their customs. When they came to India, these foreigners when they came to India, they came with their own custom and practice. As their own practice and customs are amalgamated, means mix up with the prevalent tradition which was exist already in India. As a result form a composite culture. So this is the way that diversity emerges. Hopefully you got the idea how diversity emerges. So geography, here is the main geography, and the same time history. So as example we can say that the Mughals in India, as example the foreigner, the example we can say that Mughals, they came from the Central Asia, and established their kingdom in India. At the same time, they came with their own language. Then Persian language they came. So this Persian language, which is mixed with the Hindi in India, and emerged a new language that is called the Urdu. So this is the example that diversity how emerges. Come to the here unity and diversity. As India is a diverse country, as we can say that unity and diversity. This is the one saying, one phrase that is invented or coined by our Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He said that. What is the meaning of this unity and diversity? As we know that India have the multi-religious, multicultural, multi-language people are there. So despite all the multi-religious, multi-language, multicultural peoples, the people of India, they live together harmoniously. So as we know that before the India there was exist unity among the people of India. Even we see that during the time of the British rule times, all section of the peoples they came together and fight against the British. Fight against the British. That is a example of unity. You can see that the national movement time, when which times our leader they came forward and fight against the foreigners, against the British. In the times we can say that this is the national movement time, which this national movement which brought the peoples of the diverse backgrounds into forwards and showing their unity among the peoples. So as example we can say that unity's example we can say that the national flag, that is our national flag, our national symbols, national songs and other different national symbol which are the common identity as the unity, because all things we do together, all the peoples we are doing, celebrating, observing as together. About the unity, one saying is there by our father of the nations, that is Mahatma Gandhi. He said that I consider myself as a Hindu, as Christian, as a Muslim, a Jew, a Buddhist and Confucian. So it is a famous saying by the our father of nation Mahatma Gandhi. So hopefully you got the idea from these lessons. So in these lessons mainly we discuss the two parts: how did diversity emerge and the unity in diversity. So any clarifications you can share with me. Thank you.